Hello everyone. In this video we will be doing NCERT grade 8 chapter 4 practical geometry exercise 4.2 subquestion 2. So this is a construction chapter and in this question we have to construct a quadrilateral GOLD and they have given us a few measurements: OL 7.5 cm, GL 6 cm, GD 6 cm, LD 5 cm and OD 10 cm. So this is a type of construction where we have been given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. So we have to construct the figure using these 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Now wherever we have a construction, we always start with the rough figure. So we will first draw the rough figure. Now here, whenever we have diagonals given, we always start the construction with the diagonals. So here this time we will construct our quadrilateral like this, the rough figure, so that it is easy for us during construction. Okay, GOLD is the quadrilateral. We will take the longest diagonal here, so that our construction becomes easy. So OD here is 10 centimeter and then we will GOLD. We will name this quadrilateral. So OD is 10 centimeter, then LD is 5 centimeter. This is LD 5 centimeter. GD is 6 centimeter. GL is 6 centimeter. GL is the another diagonal. This is 6 centimeter long. Then last OL is 7.5 centimeter. Okay, so we have these measurements with us. So using this, we will start with our construction. So we always start the construction with the diagonal. So we will construct the first diagonal. That is 10 centimeter long. So we will take it here. So OD is 10 centimeter. Okay, we have constructed the first diagonal OD, which is 10 centimeter. Now we will construct the upper half. So here we have the measurements of side OL and LD. OL is 7.5 centimeter. So we will first construct 7.5 centimeter. So using a compass, we will take 7.5 centimeter on our compass. Okay, so this is 7.5 centimeter. Now OL is 7.5 centimeter. So I will keep my compass pointer on O and draw an arc here. Okay, because OL is 7.5 centimeter. Then the next LD is 5 centimeter. So we will take 5 centimeter on our compass. LD is 5 centimeter. So we will keep the compass pointer on D and draw an arc here. So here we got the point of intersection. This point is our point L. So now we will construct LO. And LD. LO was 7.5 centimeter and LD is 5 centimeter. Okay, so the upper half of this quadrilateral is done. Now we will do the lower half. So here we have this side GD, which is 6 centimeter. So we will take 6 centimeter on our compass. So this is 6 centimeter. Now DG is 6 centimeter. So we will keep the compass pointer on D and draw an arc here. Okay. Now the next we have the diagonal with us. Okay, diagonal LG is also 6 centimeter. So now since LG is 6 centimeter, so we will keep the compass pointer on L and we will draw an arc here. We have taken the same measurement because LG is also 6 centimeter. GD was also 6 centimeter and LG is also 6 centimeter. So we have drawn a 6 centimeter arc here, and here we got this point of intersection. This is our point G. So now we will join both the lines OG and GD. Okay, so now GD was 6 centimeter and here we had the diagonal. We constructed this diagonal here, so we will also show the diagonal here. So GD, GL and GL was also 6 centimeter. So we will write 6 centimeter here. Okay, so with this our quadrilateral GOLD is ready.